It's me. Special. Woo!
Look, fuck the club, dog. I'd rather count $1,000,000 bagging up the groceries in the trap with the bugs. These bitches sloppy. In other words, that means they suck. Play your hand, but better watch who you plug. Got one life to live. I'm guaranteed to blow. Stay on top of shit like the tissue in the bowl. I'm so opposite, you can never tell a no. I got bread to get, got no time to sit and loaf. Player, I crush him, you pray you see him. Riding with your bird, got wings in the European. Thinking about the burbs, cause the block gets sticky like semen. Keep a ratchet with me, get wet up, sunk in the deep end. What you want, the K or the special, give me a reason. No excuses, I get it, set up shop every season. Boxed in the hearse, about that afterlife where you dreaming. Box every verse, I'm a specialist in arenas. Got good and with the cleaners, no witnesses, no subpoenas. The blueprint can't map out my tracks, fucked up my sneakers. All day I dream about hustling my Adidas. Think shit is sweet, I'ma kill the beef, now you vegan. Let that shit pop, make that shit pop. They act like they don't believe you, so make that shit pop. Make that shit hot, make that shit pop. They act like they don't believe you, so let that shit pop. When this shit drop, when that shit drop, they gon' say, okay, you lethal, damn this shit hot. Let that shit pop, make that shit pop. They act like they don't believe you, so make that shit pop. SPECIAL, got so much goddamn clientele. Pack so loud, can't hide the smell. Used to roll up pinners in the cell. Body count you bitches, put you all under my spell. Swimming with the fishes, you're raw, it ain't on the scale. Reeing up the block, the way heavy, just cop the whale. Submarine floating, I got it, it's all for sale. Mama said, make it in anything you excel. Some pray on my downfall, but some are wishing me well. Cause I'ma make it, I'ma take it, hope none of you niggas tell. My dogs are trigger happy, you bark and they gon' bite. No time for interacting, you talking, we make it happen. Trapping out the abandoned, leave you right where you standing. I hustle, I go and get it, don't need no one else permission. Fuck what you niggas worth, make profit off my commission. Let that shit pop, make that shit pop. They act like they don't believe you, so make that shit pop. Make that shit hot, make that shit pop. They act like they don't believe you, so let that shit pop. When this shit drop, when that shit drop, they gon' say, okay, you lethal, damn this shit hot. Let that shit pop, make that shit pop. They act like they don't believe you, so make that shit pop. I know you wanna rock with me, so keep it real. She said she wanna vibe with me, so what's the deal? Are those my niggas, baby? Obviously, we in the field. A bunch of young prodigies, juvenile hell. If a nigga want problems, they automatically gon' blast it. Don't come around acting when you know you only flash it. Walk around with it like it's some new style fashion. It's like you don't get it, you ain't the only one to have. What you know about them 4/5s and 44 magnums? I ain't take my pops, I just went and bought my dad one. And some about them Glocks, gotta get it, wanna bag them. And 32 shots when I spit it like a dragon. Hit him by the light post, that nigga need a lipo. Some type of life insurance, Allstate, Geico. Beat it like a Michael, I'm waving with the rifle. Dancing with the white folks, a different type of psycho. Let that shit pop, make that shit pop. They act like they don't believe you, so make that shit pop. Make that shit hot, make that shit pop. They act like they don't believe you, so let that shit pop.